Good morning, class.
Good morning.
We have learned linear equation, and we know that linear equation is the equation of the form ax plus by equal to c. Now, where this x is a variable, y is a variable, then these ones are constants. Now, just like your slippers, your shoes, and your trousers, if you have two linear equations to be solved together, what will it form? Any idea?
They'll form pairs.
Yes, they will form a pair. Good. Now, that will lead us to our topic of today, simultaneous linear equation. Now here are the objectives, what we are expected to know by the end of this lesson. Now, let's define simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations can be defined as two linear equations containing two or three variables to find a common solution. Or you can say that simultaneous linear equation is a pair of linear equations containing two or three variables in order to find a common solution. When we say that simultaneous linear equations are two linear equations solved together to find a common solution, let's assume that we have a linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and x plus 5y equal to 2. Now, this is a linear equation, this is a linear equation. These two linear equations form a pair, and when we solve them together, we call it simultaneous linear equation. Now, we move over to the methods of solving simultaneous linear equations. Now, the first method is the substitution method. When we talk about the substitution method, this substitution method entails making one of the variables the subject of the formula. When you make one of the variables the subject of the formula, then you substitute it in order to get your answer. Then the second one is the elimination method. This elimination method entails making two of the variables to be the same, as in the constant bearing the variable, you make it to be the same in order to eliminate it by addition or subtraction. Then the third one is the graphical method. This involves the use of graph. Wherever the x and y intersect, that is your where you get your simultaneous the solution to your simultaneous equation. Here are the methods of solving simultaneous linear equation. Let's solve some examples using substitution method. We have example 1. If you have x plus 2y equal to 4 and 2x plus 5y equal to 17, you have to solve this pair of simultaneous this pair of equations using a substitution method. First of all, we said that a substitution method, you have to make one of the variables the subject of the formula. Now, you have to make this x, because it is a single. Now, you have to make this x the subject of the formula. Now, making x the subject of the formula, we have x is equal to when is equal to 4. When this plus 2y plus this equality sign, you have minus 2y. Now, we have made x the subject of the formula. Now, let's substitute x equals to 4 minus 2y in equation 2 into x is our x is 4 minus 2y plus 5y equal to 17. Now, 2 multiplies 4, 8. 2 multiplies minus 2y
Minus 4y
plus 5y equal to
17.
Now we have opened this bracket now. Then we collect the like terms, which is minus 4y plus 5y, which is equal to 17. When this 8 crosses this equality sign, you have
minus 8.
Now, minus 4y plus 5y is what? Will give us what?
Y.
Y, which is equal to what? 17 minus 8 is what?
9.
9. Therefore, our y is equal to what?
9.
Now, since we have gotten y to be what? 9, we now substitute y equal to 9 in any of these equations, either equation 1 or equation what? 2. Which of the equation are we going to use now?
Equation 1.
Equation 1. Perhaps this one. Since we have gotten y equal to 9, we now substitute y equal to 9 in what? Equation what? 1. Now, x is equal to what? 2. And y is equal to what? 9. Equal to what? 4. Now, x plus 2 times 9 is what?
18.
18. Which is equal to what? 4. Then, you correct the what? Like that. X is equal to what? 4. When this plus 18 crosses this equal to sign, we have what?
Minus
18. 4 minus 18 is equal to what?
Minus 14.
Therefore, x is equal to what? Minus 14. And y is equal to what? 9. Let's check if our solving is what? Correct. Since we have y to be 9 and x to be what? Minus 14. We have x to be minus 14 plus what? 2 into what? 9 equal to what? 4. I have the second equation to be 2 into what? Minus 14 plus 5 into what? 9 equal to 17. Now, minus 14 plus 18 equal to 4, and 2 times minus 14 is what? Minus 8. 28 plus what? 5 times 9 is what? 45. 45, which is equal to what? 17. Minus 14 plus 8 is what?
4.
Give us what? 4. Equal to what? 4. And then minus 28 plus 45 is what? Minus 17. Yes, 17. So 17 is equal to what? 17. That means our answers are what? Correct. Any question? Who can define simultaneous linear equation for me?
And
yes.
simultaneous linear equations are two linear equations in 2 or 3 variables solved together to find a common solution.
Beautiful. Now, we also solve some examples on what? Simultaneous equation using what? Substitution method. So, in our next class, we will start from solving simultaneous equation using what? Elimination method and what? Graphical method. Now, here is your assignment. When you get home, you try this once and submit it first thing tomorrow morning. Thank you, class.
Thank you.